Hey everyone, so I am back with a new hairstyle. It is called twisted side ponytail. First of all, comb your hair and make a side puff. Now gather all your hair into a side ponytail. Now take a small section of hair and wrap it around the rubber band. And tie it with an elastic. Now take another rubber band and tie it 1 inch below. Now make a loop and twist the ponytail into the loop. Now pull your hair . Now again take a small section of hair and hide the rubber band. And tie it with an elastic. Now repeat the process. You can continue this step until you reach the end. Hide the rubber band. So this is the final look.